today we're gonna be unboxing. Okay, so but I have Grumpy here and Stormy as my assistants. Okay, just give me one sec. Okay guys, so here are the things that we're gonna be unboxing today. I'm sure these are purses that just arrived yesterday, and we have another here. So we're gonna be unboxing two pieces, two packages, and hold on, and there's another one that already just arrived last week, but already opened it up. So let me just show you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna show this. I already opened it and already know what it is. So this is Gucci. Yeah, I ordered this before and people were liking it, so I ordered it again. So this is pink nude. Okay, so this is first one. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so let's open this one. We'll see. Okay, so I still don't know what this one is.
Mom, wait, don't, sorry.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. Our model. Yes. That's my favorite.
Oh, so beautiful, Stormy. Very sexy. Wow, look at Stormy. Beautiful. Stormy. Oh, this is two purses. Okay. There are two. Okay, let's look at this one, the first one. Whoa! Whoa! This is beautiful. Whoa! How about this, guys? Look! What can you say about this? It looks very beautiful. Sorry, my legs. Okay, so this is the Soho bag. It's Gucci. Oh, I love the color. I love the tassel. It's good, see? Made in Italy. This one goes here. Then I'm gonna show you inside.
One hour later.
Okay, so as I was saying, you can look inside. And this one. Okay, so let's see the next one. Okay. Oh, this one is nude. Yeah, it's the same. There's tassel.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so here's the second package. So I'm gonna open it up for you. Okay. So I just received it yesterday. Okay, so let me just open so you guys can see. Whoa, look! They're all purses. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So I think I already know what color this one is. And this. Let me just. I think. Which one shall I open it first? This one. Let's open this one first. Oh, it's black. Yeah, it's the same thing like what I opened a while ago. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's another good, see? With the tassel. this, this. Okay. Yeah.
Almost lost her. See?
Is it okay? Yeah. Oh, another one. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same thing. Use this one. Yeah, I think they're all the same.